Well, this is what I woke up to this morning. A whole bunch of puppies under my back stairs. Hi, puppies! What's wrong? Hi! Look at all of them. 5 of them underneath the back stairs. Wow, are their claws sharp. Okay. Yeah, they haven't seen me in like 2 minutes. Food, water, loving. They were very, very shy, all except for one. And I think I'll ask around a little bit to the neighbors today and find out what the deal is. But they're really young and they're very small to be out on their own. So I'm got to make the assumption that they were dumped, which seems to be a common occurrence here on my street. All right, that's puppy time. You guys ready for the big dogs? They duck under the stairs when they had enough of Sam and Bella's prying. I just hope they don't have anything that my dogs could catch. I thought my dogs were puppies. And then I see them next to these guys and wow. Does it put things in a slightly different perspective. Alright. I'll talk to y'all later. Hope you have a great day. Arrivederci.